Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to make Google default browser on Bing. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.bing.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bing if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the middle of the screen, we have the search bar, where you can go and search for anything that you would like. In the top right corner, we have the languages, we have your profile, of course, and of course here a lot of things about Bing. And in the bottom side of the screen, we have all the things, all the news and everything. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and make Google default browser on Bing. So for Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings, scroll down and click on search engine and choose Google. For Microsoft Edge, where we are at the moment, again, click on the three dots here, or the three lines, sorry. Click on settings, which is here, as you can see, the first thing. Then scroll down to privacy, search and services. And under this section, click on address bar and search. Choose Google from the drop down menu. For Safari, click on Safari in the top menu, select preferences, then search, then Google. And for Firefox, click on the three lines, settings, search, and then again, Google. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.